Have you ever considered the depth and complexity of the relationships that exist between nations? The intricate dance of diplomacy that takes place behind closed doors, where the fate of entire regions can be shaped by a single conversation. Today, we delve into one such story. A story that unfolds in the heart of Southern Africa, where the Speaker of Parliament, Advocate Jacob Mudenda, meets Mozambican President Filipe Nyusi. On a sunny day in Maputo, Advocate Mudenda, representing Zimbabwe, arrived for a meeting with President Nyusi. There was no grand fanfare, no pomp and circumstance, just a purposeful stride towards a discussion that held the potential to shape the future of two nations. Before the main event, Advocate Mudenda held benchmarking meetings with heads of Mozambican parliamentary committees, an exercise in understanding the structure and functioning of their parliamentary system. The Zimbabwean delegation was eager to learn, to understand how the Mozambican committees exercise their oversight of the executive, to bring back lessons that could potentially strengthen their own system. In the hallowed halls of the Mozambican presidency, President Nyusi opened his heart to the Zimbabwean delegation. He shared his gratitude for the unwavering support rendered by Zimbabwe and other Southern African Development Community countries in containing the insurgency in the Cabo Delgado region of Mozambique. This intervention, he revealed, had brought some measure of peace and security to the northern region of Mozambique. President Nyusi further affirmed the unity accord between his Frelimo party and Renamo, a testament to the commitment to promoting accelerated development in Mozambique in the peaceful environment currently being experienced. The air was charged with anticipation as President Nyusi shared his vision for the future, expressing his eagerness for holding peaceful general elections come October 9th. The Zimbabwean delegation, moved by President Nyusi's words, expressed their gratitude for his unwavering support in their quest for the unconditional removal of illegal sanctions on Zimbabwe. In the grand scheme of things, a meeting between two nations might seem like a drop in the ocean, but it is in these drops that oceans are formed, in these meetings that the course of history is charted. To summarize, the meeting between Advocate Jacob Mudenda and President Filipe Nyusi was a testament to the power of diplomacy and mutual support. They discussed bilateral relations, regional development, and security issues. The Zimbabwean delegation gained insights into the Mozambican parliamentary system, and both parties expressed their commitment to peace, unity, and development in their respective nations.